Alright you guys, we are jumping straight into this wig review. Today I have a wig from Sensationnel, and this is their textured lace wig, their curls and kinks and co. I think that's how you say it. This is their curly kinky texture, and this is a lace frontal wig. This is in the style Angel, and I did pick up the color 1B. So I'm just going to go ahead and take her out the box. And as y'all can see, she is a longer style. I'm hoping that this comes like down to my mid back once I actually try it on. I actually didn't know that this was a textured wig, and it does say that it is for type 3B and 4C hair. So I'm hoping that it does give me that like natural relaxed look, because I do want a wig that does kind of look like it could be my natural hair, even though it isn't my natural hair. So I'm just going to take this out the box. So the wig does have a net on it, and just looking at it out of the packaging, that luster, baby, do y'all see that? That luster is just looking lovely. So I'm just going to take this net off. Ooh. And so far, I'm just in love with this curl that I'm seeing. Like, yes ma'am, I love big, voluminous, fluffy curly hair, and I'm definitely getting that vibe just from looking at this out the package. And this is a close-up of the stock card, so I'm hoping that I get this same type of look when I try it on. And it does come in other colors. They do have blonde, 1B30, and a honey wine mixed as well. So you do have a couple of different options that you can get when you do purchase this unit. Oh, I like this. So shout out to Sensationnel. I was just looking on their stock card, and they do say on the stock card to actually not to neglect your actual hair. They do give the tip that you should cleanse and deep condition your hair, trim your hair in between wearing your wigs, and that is so true, you guys. Definitely make sure that you are taking care of your hair underneath. That is what's going to make this protective style an actual protective style. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this card off, and then we're going to get into the details and specs of this unit. So it's looking like this wig only comes with this one parting section in the middle. So you should be able to still shift the wig to the right and to the left to do a middle part and side part. I am going to do that for you guys so that way y'all can see how it looks. And it does also come with two combs at the top. And I also have a comb in the nape area. So if you are worried about security, this wig does definitely give you a lot of options with that. And you also have two adjustable straps as well. Y'all already know I love to save my edges, so I'm probably just going to try to see if I can work with the adjustable straps and the comb in the nape area. But you guys, this wig is full, baby, like full. Full. And honestly, I was going to purchase me some bundles and actually make a wig, but I was getting a little lazy and was thinking, let me just go ahead and find me a cute little synthetic wig. And I came across this angel face wig, and you guys, like, she is just looking full. Let me stop talking and actually put this wig on, because this thing is giving me whoo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually adjust my straps in the back, and I'm going to cross them over each other. Normally when I just do that, that gives me all the security I need. I do have a quite big head in my opinion, so once I do that, it stays in place pretty much. So if you do, if you are looking for a big head friendly wig, I think this wig might be for you, but we're about to see. We are about to see. So I went on ahead and I adjusted the straps, and I'm just going to go ahead and throw this on. Ooh, I think I adjusted it a little too tight. Ooh, okay. But okay, all right. OMG, I'm so short. Y'all can't even see how far the wig actually is coming down. I'm gonna see if I can get on my knees real quick. Oh, I'm out the frame, but it's okay. So as y'all can see, this wig is definitely coming like right underneath. Ooh. Okay, I feel like I just transformed, you guys. Like I just transformed into a whole entire different person with this wig on. So definitely, if you have a big head like me, this wig is definitely big head friendly. By me just adjusting those straps, this wig is not going anywhere, okay? It's not going anywhere. It's staying with those adjustable straps. So you don't have to use the combs if you don't want to. Oh my gosh, I'm just in love with this volume. Like, baby, can you say volume? Can you say 3 bundles and a frontal closure, whatever? Like, I'm just loving this volume on this wig. I really, really hope that I don't have tangling issues in the future. I hope not. But so far, the wig is very, very soft. Like, it's very, very soft, very fluffy, very light and flowy. Like, I really like that. Just because this wig, it's just a lot of hair in this wig. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm definitely a little shook right now. I thought this wig was gonna be like, like I didn't think it was gonna be this full at all. So I'm just gonna readjust this to the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually cut off the lace and come back and actually give y'all my full real initial review. But so far I am feeling this hair. I'm definitely feeling the texture and the lightness of it and the snugness of the cap. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just cut the lace off, and then we're gonna go from there. So I did go ahead and cut my lace off camera, and as you all can see, I do kind of have like a light cast. I do have a light cast around my perimeter of my forehead. The lace was kind of like a light I guess you could say transparent color. So what I'm going to do is take the wig off, and I'm going to apply some foundation onto the lace and onto the parting space, and I am going to go in and pluck the hairline a little bit, just so that way we can get a more natural look, because right now it's looking pretty wiggy and very dense, and I don't want that. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this off real quick and pluck the hairline of the wig. is what the wig is looking like. I went on ahead and did some baby hairs with the Got To Be Edge gel, and I can say I'm liking how this wig is looking. Alright, so I'm gonna get into my pros before I actually get into the cons about this wig. My first pro is definitely the volume. Like, I love how full this wig looks, and it's really not heavy at all. Like, I thought this wig was gonna feel a little bit heavy just because of how long and how full this wig is, but it definitely feels very, very lightweight. If you are new to wearing wigs, or you're just not used to wearing very long hair, this wig probably will feel a little bit heavy for you in the beginning, but it's definitely not heavy at all. For my OG wig wearers, like, this wig is definitely light. And another thing that I do like about it is the texture. Like, it does say that it does mimic a 3B to 4C hair texture, and I can say they did do a very, very good job far as mimicking that nice yucky relaxed hair texture. I really do like the hair texture, so I mean, if you didn't know me in my past life, you would definitely think that this is my real hair. What else do I love about this wig? I do love the part, because the part does look pretty realistic. I did notice when I was applying the foundation to this unit that they did try to do like some pre-plucking to the hairline. So that was pretty helpful. So if you are like new to wearing wigs, you don't know anything about plucking, you definitely can just cut the lace off of this unit and just wear it as it is out the box. You don't really have to do much to it. So that's another thing that I love about this unit. I definitely love the fullness. For this to be a long unit, it's definitely full from root to tip. I've had some units in the past where it's like it's full in the front, not full in the back. So they definitely have a pretty even consistency throughout the whole entire wig. And I also love the luster on this wig. I don't like those synthetic wigs that have like that very shiny look to it, and it's like, sis is wearing a wig. This definitely does not give off that vibe. It has a very nice natural luster to it, so it's not too shiny. You don't really have to worry about adding anything to this wig at all. Like, you really can wear this wig just as it is. Now, if I did know how to really cut hair, I would add a couple of more layers in the front to better frame my face, just because these pieces in the front I feel like should be just a little bit shorter. Like, I feel like they should stop like right there versus all the way down here, but that's just my opinion. So yeah, those are all my major pros about this wig. Now, my cons about this wig is the fact that they only give us one part. I mean, come on now, Sensational. We are in the 13x4, 13x6, 13x7 life now. Like, I can't just keep working with just one part. So, and the other thing that I don't like about this wig is the lace on the front literally is like this much. This much. It's not even a lot of lace at all. Like, it's not even enough to part anything. So really, if you're new to wearing wigs, you really probably are only gonna wear this wig in the middle or to the sides. But don't worry, because I do have another video. I am going to do a part 2 to this wig and show you guys some hairstyles that you can do, so that way you are not limited to just doing a middle part, side part, or anything like that. So definitely make sure you stay tuned to part 2 of this wig review. So yeah, that's really like my major con. I really wish they would give us some more parting space, some more lace on this unit, because this unit would be like a 10 out of 10. Like, come on now. So, but overall, I am going to give Miss Angel Face Darling, I'm going to give her a 9.5. And the reason why a 9.5 is because, like, I need more lace. I need more lace. Like, come on now. It's a lace front wig. Give me the lace. I need the lace. But, I mean, I think I did a pretty good job. Compare me to the stock card. Y'all drop a comment down below if I did it better than the model on the stock card. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. But yeah, I am going to update you guys on this wig probably in about 2 to 3 weeks. I'm just going to let y'all know I'm not going to wear this wig like to work or anything, because, I mean, it's just way too long. But this is definitely like, if you're going out on a date, out with your friends, this is definitely like that wig. It's very, very dramatic, and I love that. But yeah, I definitely would not wear this as an everyday wig just because it is so long. I'm gonna try to step back so that way y'all can see how long it is on me. I am 5 feet even, so it's pretty long on me. I think it is touching, yeah, it's touching the bottom of my back, almost above my butt. Yeah, so it's pretty long. It's pretty long on me, so I wouldn't really wear this as an everyday wig. And I hope, as of right now, I'm not getting no tangling, no shedding with this wig, but I already know the game, so I'm pretty sure this wig is gonna tangle, and I'm probably gonna wind up cutting it shorter. But so far so good. So far so good. Sensational did their thing with this wig. I'm gonna bring all the hair to the front. Ooh. Bring all the hair to the front so that y'all can see what we're working with. So definitely, this is giving me like, if you got a closure unit wig, 3 to 4 bundles of like 28 inch or something. This is definitely like a good dupe for that. If you are new to wigs, you want something quick and easy, I definitely would grab this one right here. OMG, my thumbnails for this wig about to be so cute. But I need to get closer, that way y'all can see this hairline that we got going on. Ew. Ooh, can you say scalpiana? Scalpiana, like, definitely. Oh, and that was my other kind, you guys. I know y'all saw it in the beginning. That, whatever that color, lace color was, yeah, sensational, that's a no. Nobody's scalp is that color, okay? I'm gonna need y'all to get rid of that. So yeah, that was my other kind. I almost forgot. But yeah, that lace color got to go. But yeah, definitely after you put your powder, your foundation on, you definitely can't even tell anymore. You definitely can't even tell. Oh, and another thing that I want to mention, you guys, is that I did have to readjust my straps to the normal position because it was way too tight for my head. So if you have a small head or a big head like myself, this wig is definitely going to work for you. You're going to be able to adjust it for your head size perfectly. So, ooh, I smacked myself in the face. Goodness gracious. Alright, you guys, that is all that I have for this wig review on the Sensational Angel Face Lace Front Unit, and I hope that you guys definitely go and check that wig out. I am going to leave a link down below in the description box so you can get your hands on this gorgeous unit. And also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on so that way you are notified when I upload a new video. And you already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay popping. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!